LVLGO is a site where you can get CD keys to games, software, and even gift cards. With LVLGO, you can get Windows 10 Professional, a full retail digital key, not an OEM key, for a massive discount. And if that wasn't enough, you can also get a 20% discount on Windows 10 Pro by just using my promo code RAD20. You can also get a 20% discount on Microsoft Office 2019 Professional Plus by using the exact same promo code. You can also get a 15% discount on Microsoft Office 2016. Thanks for checking it out, guys. This helps the channel a ton, and now let's get into the video. What's going on, guys? Ricky Arnold here, back for another video. So today's video is one that is requested by all of you guys. This top comment right here on my last setup video is the reason for this right here, because you guys absolutely smashed the like button, you guys subscribed the crap out of my channel, and you guys watched a ton of that last video. So I'm gonna keep riding that wave, and I'm gonna keep adding things to my setup to make it just that much better, because you guys seem to really enjoy those type of videos. So being that you guys made this comment, it was the very top comment on the last video, I gave in and I decided to just go ahead and do this for the community. So I decided to pick up these guys right here. Yes, went out and just bought some Nanoleafs for my setup. They are not cheap, I'm gonna tell you that right now. This thing was about 200 bucks just for like 9 of them. But I think that they're gonna add a really cool aesthetic to the back of my setup here, and I think you guys are gonna be really pleased with the results. So another thing I want to address, I know on the last video you guys did comment a ton on my RGB LED strip that's around the back of my table there. So if you guys can see, where is it? Right there. Yep, I did fix them. They are behind my desk now. They are no longer on top of the table, and I do agree with all of you. They look a ton better. But as you can see back here, see how that one right there is white, and where is my thumb? That one is green. That is because in the process of me trying to fix them, I kind of broke them. So just don't worry about that right now. I have another set on the way and I'll fix that. But for today, we need to get inside of these guys right here and see if these are actually worth the $200 price tag that I paid for them, and if they will provide what I am thinking they'll provide for my setup. Okay, so after completely unboxing everything, here's the entire layout of what it comes with. So you get the 9 panels in this kit right here. You can get 9 or 15. I think you can also get 3 as an add-on. You get your control unit right here. You get your, this is the rhythm control unit that is part of the rhythm product. And then you get your power supply right there. You get your mounting adhesive guys right here with the little pull tabs, kind of like I just used in my last video on my sound dampening panels. And then you get your connectors right here to connect between each panel. Let's see if I can get the focus real quick. Yep, these right here help you connect between each panel. And then you get a little sticker and your quick start guide, or it looks like there's an actual setup video that I just saw that on the guide. So if we need to, we can watch that and we'll figure out how to set these things up. All right, guys, so I put a little structure together right here, and we're gonna plug this in and see if these things function like they're supposed to. Okay, so as you can see, these things are making some really cool light already. I'm really impressed. It actually looks really awesome. So when you go to this little site they tell you to go to, so it does tell you how to get started and how to pair it. So we're gonna go ahead and follow these directions and pair it with my phone, and I'm gonna show you guys what you should be doing. All right, guys, so once it finds your panels right there, it's gonna ask you to actually go to your HomeKit setup code, and I'm gonna bring that up right here. It should be this guy right there. So I'm guessing that's what they want. So let's see if it finds it. Yep, got it right away. Look at that. Really fast. Technology is pretty awesome, isn't it? So let's go ahead and let this connect. Accessory added. Look at that. Name your accessory, I'm just gonna name them light panels, that's fine. And it takes you to the app where there's a ton of different things you can do with these light panels. So these things are connected and ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can do with my Amazon dot over there and see if I can connect that. Alexa, play no copyright sounds.
Here's a station for you based on no copyright sounds on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. All right, guys, and as you can see, these are really, really awesome for basically having a dance party inside your room, and it's picking up my voice right now, and as I talk, it actually is responding to it with the lights as well. So this is kind of a cool feature I think I'm gonna use when I'm actually filming my videos. I might actually put it on this rhythm thing, and when it picks up my voice, these things will flash in the background. So that may be a really cool effect I can add to my videos now. So basically right now, all we gotta do is figure out the layout that we wanna do and get them on the wall. Alright guys, so these guys are all done. Look at this. These things are so incredibly bright. They're really awesome. I am super happy with them. It takes a little bit just to get them figured out the way you want it and then situated on your wall, but once you get it, the results are pretty spectacular. I am really loving them. And yeah, it's making my setup look really, really nice. Okay, so now that we're nearing the end of this video, what do you guys think? Honestly, I think that thing back there looks absolutely amazing. I love that not only does it look cool, but it also provides some kind of cinematic value in my videos, because you can see right here on this side of my head, it's providing me with a hair light is what it's called, and it kind of breaks up the color. And because I have my key light right here, I'm able to get that drop shadow on the side of my face that I've always been looking for. Just didn't know how I needed to do it. I used to use another external light behind my head, but now these things are so bright that these actually can provide a backlight to my video scene, and I could not be happier with the product. So just so you guys know, just putting this thing together, it took me like, an hour or two. It says it only takes 20 minutes, but honestly, unless you've completely researched the thing and figured out how to do it already before you get it, it's not going to be that quick, because you will go through a couple different iterations trying to figure out what shape you want to make on it. And honestly, this one was the very first one that I made. I kind of just started with one a triangle and then built off of it. So if you guys kind of have something in mind, you guys may do it a little bit quicker, but it took me like an hour or two to kind of figure out what I wanted to do with it and actually get it all installed. But couldn't be happier with the product. I think it's super awesome. The functions with the Amazon dot back there is so awesome, and I love the other included rhythm functions that it does. So now that I have these lights behind me, I really think the only thing that my setup needs right now is still maybe like where is it at? Over here. Maybe like a piece of artwork up right around in that corner over there, or like above me in that little spot right over here. Like maybe I was thinking about getting these, what are they called? The disc plates, and putting some artwork over there. Maybe that'll be like the last thing that I do to the setup for a little while and actually leave it alone for a little while. But knowing me, I'll probably not leave it alone. I'll probably change some stuff, but that maybe is the only thing that I think that I need to do right now. But again, you guys asked for it, I delivered, and I hope you guys are really happy with the result, just like I am. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, make sure you guys get subscribed, hit that notification button so you guys can be notified on when I come out with a video next. And until then, guys, I really hope you guys enjoy my setup here. I'm gonna go enjoy it for a little while and play some games. And again, if you guys wanted to get this product, I'll link it in the video description below. But until the next video, guys, I'll see you later. Peace.